everyone, this is Rich with Fast Reviews, and I'm super excited. This is the Winnebago Spirit 31H. Now this sits on the E454 chassis. This is the Super Duty chassis. This one does have the 7.3 liter V8 engine. It's got the Hankook Dynapro tires, and you've also got a cab over. Now the cab over is a single molded fiberglass shell, so it's less likely to leak. You have to make sure that your seals are all solid. Now over here on this side, you can see that it has side cameras. The side cameras allow you to see the RV on the left and the right side when you use your turn signals. So inside is a comfortable cabin. The passenger seat does not recline back because this has the U-shaped dinette. The driver's seat, however, does. You've also got plenty of charging ports, USB-C, USB-A, and you've got a Sony navigation system that connects through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Now on this side, we have a huge compartment that's great for your grills, that's great for your griddles. It's really deep, it's almost 2 feet deep. You have your slide out controllers inside that compartment there, and it also has rotocast. You can just rinse these off. Now on this side of the RV, you've got the entry door and the fridge exhaust. You've also got 2 outlets here, as well as an additional storage right here. The RV doesn't come standard with this water feature, so this is basically a campsite for washing your feet or washing your dogs. And then you've also got a quick connect propane right there. Now this storage compartment is also very deep. It's about 2 feet, and it does, it's the middle of the cab, so you can put like logs and so forth. Now this slide out right here is the bunk bed slide out. It has 2 beds, first bed, second bed. Now underneath here, you've got a huge compartment for your camping chairs. Now take a look here. This right here is pass-through storage. So you can access the garage side, what I call the garage side, as well as the regular side here, and you can put a table inside. Over here you have a bumper that holds your sewer hose, and you've got a ladder to go onto the roof. Now on the roof is 1 air conditioning unit, and you also have a bathroom fan vent that's motorized. This is the rear emergency exit for the master bedroom. And then on the top, you can see that there's a camera. So for backing up, you can see the view of the rear from the top of the RV. Now on this side, you've got a large garage space. So this one goes all the way through to the other compartment there. Now you've got your tank fill up, you've got your black waste flush, you've got your city fill, and you've got your cable outlet. On this side, you have the water heater. It's a 3-gallon water heater and a furnace. You have the propane right here. Let's go to the inside of the RV and check it out. Now the first thing that you're gonna see as you enter the RV is you've got an actual oven. This is a propane oven. It's the Elite series, and this one also has a 3-burner propane cooktop. Now you've got a hood vent for cooking. You've got a microwave. This is not a convection microwave. This is just a traditional microwave, high point microwave. Now it doesn't come with an ice maker. That's something that we added. This is a pull-out kitchen faucet, and it also got a double stainless steel sink. So pretty large here. Now up top, you've got some cabinets here, plenty of pantry space. Now you can see up here, this is the GE air conditioning unit. It has the air dump feature, has vented AC. Now on this side, you have a Norcold fridge. The advantage of this fridge is that it can run either on propane or electrical 110. It is not a 12-volt fridge. You've got a freezer on top of there, so very good space. You've got a drawer underneath here. And this unit comes with an inverter as well too, so the inverter is right behind here. This is the propane alarm, and let me show you the U-shaped dinette. So this is one of my favorite features. This is the U-shaped dinette here. When you are set at camp, you can go like this, and if you're driving with the slides in, you can just rotate the table. Now this also becomes a bed, so you simply unscrew it and attach it to the legs right there, and it'll unscrew. Now the RV doesn't come with the storage. It doesn't come with these storage handles. You actually have to lift it up in order for you to have access to the storage. But the storage underneath is huge. This is the whole seat there. You've got 1 space here, you've got a 2nd space on that side, and then you've got a 3rd space right here. And it doesn't come with the safety straps. That's something that was added. But this cab over bunk can hold between 500 to 700 pounds. So it's almost the size of a queen size bed. For air, you've got a window on this side, and you've also got a vent on top there. Now the vent is not a motorized vent. It doesn't come with it, but you can see that it has a ducted AC unit right here. So on the Ford chassis, you have steering wheel controls, and it's a very modern chassis. It's a very efficient chassis, but you're still gonna get somewhere between 6 to 8 miles per gallon. On this side of the RV, we have a couch, and this couch can be converted to a bed. You simply pull this lever, and then you can lift it up. It is a jackknife sofa, so it is a little challenging to pull. But once you set it up, you can fit a teenager or a kid here. The arms become a pillow, I guess. Now you can notice that you also have 3 seat belts here. So you can have the kids sit here, seat belted. You can put a car seat in. You've also got additional seat belts on the U-shaped dinette. Now if you look right here, you can see that there is a tether latch. This is for a car seat. So if you're driving down the road and you need to have a car seat, you can strap it into there. So over here we have the bunk, and the cool thing about this bunk is that there's a latch here. So let's say that we want to use this as a closet. Let's say that we're not traveling with kids. We can pull this down and we can use this as a closet. If we are traveling with kids, we simply pull this latch and then we have the whole thing come down, and that will make a bed. Now the top bunk person also has a window, so they can have fresh air as you're driving down the road. Okay, and then to set it, you simply latch it in place. There's no seat belts here, so some models will have seat belts, but this one just doesn't. Huge drawer here for the kids' clothes. So this drawer, quite heavy actually. Now you have additional pantry space on this side. You got plenty of pantry space for your dry goods. Now all your tank controls are right here. You have propane, battery, fresh tank, black tank, and gray tank. Now this is a huge RV, so it does have 40 gallons. Right now, I have the water pump running. It has a water heater. You do have to start it up and wait. It has a generator, and then it has tank heaters. You've got your slide controls here. So this whole thing is a slide. This whole wall here is a slide. So it comes in and out. Now in the bedroom here, we have a queen size bed. This queen size bed is facing directly to the TV. The TV that Winnebago provides is a 24-inch TV, and there's additional storage under here. You've got a huge drawers, a huge closet wardrobe space. Right here, you can hang up your clothes. You basically have like enough wardrobe space for all your kids. Emergency exit here, and you've got additional hanging closet space on both sides of the bed. Now the RV doesn't come with these reading lights. These were added, but essentially it does have those push button lights, and you've got additional storage on top. For the cross breeze, you do have windows on all sides. On here you have outlets, and you have a cigarette lighter plug. So if you need a CPAP machine, you can easily plug that into the sides. On this side you have 3 drawers, and on that side you have 2 drawers. And let me show you the bathroom here. We just added the shower curtain, but the bathroom does have a pull shower curtain. So you will not have any issues with water. So you just simply pull this and you can latch it to the other side. We just added the curtain for the kids, so we make it easier for them to use the shower. Now on this side of the shower, you do have a shower head. It doesn't come with the brush nickel, this was added, but you do have hot and cold water controls here. And I am 5'7". I can safely touch the top here. I can be probably 6'2" and still be okay. This is the skylight. Now on this side, you do have the sink vanity, and this has a mirror. It also has a cabinet. All right guys, that's it. That's the review for the Winnebago Spirit 30.